Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies from 18th till 24th of October. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Alright, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. As I always tell you, this is not your story. Do not try to make it yours. Alright, so let's get started with your reading for my Scorpios starting from 18th till 24th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Scorpios 18 till 24th, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Let me see. Okay. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. At the back of the deck, we have the King of Pentacles. So your overall energy with the King of Pentacles is telling me that you are at a place where you are more focused towards the materialistic things. It could be like in a place where you are working and you really want some financial security now, since you have worked a lot, you have given a lot of energies, you have invested a lot of energies towards something, and now it's time for you to get back the results as well. So you are focused into something materialistic. It could be that you are focusing into something much mature. If we talk about, it could be a mature relationship as well. So you are focused in something permanent, not just temporary. Okay, in the past we have Awakening, which is the Hanged Man of the deck, the Dreamer and Balance, which is the Temperance. Okay, so all the three major arcanas in the past, and the dreamer is the Fool energy. So it looks to me like there was something in relation with your life. There was a little pause in something. It could be a relationship or some or some kind of a financial thing where a pause came. Okay, so you were like, what is going on? I am not able to accept the pause. So you started something new, like a new job or something. Okay, so all of a sudden this thing started giving you ideas in your for future, for your present lives. So things were like that in the past. At present we have Three of Cups, Page of Pentacles and Eight of Wands. It is clearly telling us that this is the time. If you are showing gratitude to the universe, it is very good. If not, try to give as much as gratitude and try to be so much thankful to the universe for everything you are going through, because problems come in life, but the best part is how you solve those problems, and how were you standing, how much strong are you standing in front of those problems. So this is the things. Okay, you might be going through for some studies, if you are having some problems, so that is just a thing which is temporary, because I am seeing problems are temporary, but how you are taking it, that is something which is more important. In the coming future, we have Queen of Cups, the Magician and Knight of Swords. So yeah, things are coming towards you, since you have started, since I was telling you, you should have to show gratitude and gratefulness. So things will be coming towards you, since you have shown a lot of gratitude and gratefulness in the present. So the universe is trying to give all the better things to you in the future. But for that, for a good future, you have to start from present. Okay, let me clarify now. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles for my Scorpios. Okay, so we have the Nine of Swords, Seven of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. You might be going, so for some of you it can be a problem which you are dealing with your family member, your parent or your spouse or somebody with whom you live in. Okay, so if there are some problems going on, so you should consult someone, okay, someone specialist in this situation, because This is something which is coming to me. For some of you, it's this is only for some of you, as I already told you that this is very general reading. So these are the energies which I'm picking up today. As you are going through a problem, okay, this is more like a situation where you are really expecting a lot from the person to whom you are giving a lot. So you are really depressed because of that, you have become anxious because of that, and you are waiting for them to respond you back, but things are might not be happening that way. It could be a bad relationship which is going on with your family member, or somebody, as I told you earlier, somebody with whom you live in. Okay, tell me more about the awakening energy in the past. The Hanged Man, the Star, Three of Cups, and King of Pentacles again. So this could be something from the with the since the King of Pentacles has come up in your overall energy and in the past also. So this could be the same person with whom you are dealing with right now is the same person you were dealing with in the present, in the past. There could be a reconciliation with this person. The things were always bad with this person, but all of a sudden things were fine. Then again things are going not too good, but not too bad as well, because it's like more like an up and down with this person with whom you are dealing with. I want to know the relationship, what exactly your future relationship with this person will be like, since you are going through a lot. Let me take one card for you. Oh, Five of Wands is here. So there will be always, fights will always come. Okay, it does not matter. See, you might be feeling that I'm pretty negative, but this situation with the Five of Wands, it comes with everyone in this world. It's not like I'm trying to tell you that do not be with that person. Be with the person. Fights will always come, arguments will be there, since you both are different people. So obviously different people have different perspectives, so this will always, the opinions of both of you will clash, but how to deal with it, that is the main thing. Okay, the Dreamer, tell me more about the Fool energy in the past. Nine of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Four of Pentacles. Yeah, so there was a situation when you literally stopped talking to this person. You put a proper, like I'm not going to talk to you. You have put a proper blockage with this person, but somehow you talked again. Somehow you communicated again with a new fire energy. But it's still there. The problems between two people are still there, because somebody out of you both is not really ready to let go of that. I don't know who this is, but you need to let go. If you want balance in the situation, if you want happiness, you need to let go of the past. Tell me more about the Page of Pentacles in the present. The Tower, Queen of Cups, and Page of Swords. Yeah, at present also you might be going like a situation. This could be a situation in which you are really feeling that things are really bad with this person, or the things are going bad. The things are ending with this person. I don't know, but endings are there. Although love is a lot, love is like too much with this person. You could be dealing with a third party situation as well. Scorpios, tell me more about the Three of Cups in the present. Okay, Devil, Two of Cups, and the World. Yeah, definitely there is a third party situation in this thing, because of which this person is attracted towards the third person. In between both of you, there is a third person to whom they are attracted to, but the love of your life is this only. Although you feel that this is the same person, this is the person I want, but because of this problem, because of this situation, you are feeling so much depressed and anxious that you have invested too much energy, too much of your energy, finances, and love in this person, but they are not returning you back the love which you feel it should be there. They are not returning it back, and that is why you are feeling very much sad about it. You want communication, you want clarification, but you are not getting one. you got to know about this thing through investigation, or you are stalking them, or you are trying to know what exactly they are doing, with whom they are, and that is why the problems are coming up. Tell me more about the Magician in the future energies. Temperance, Three of Swords, and Four of Swords. Okay, so yeah, things need balance, you know. So how beautiful, I will tell you how different, how not so different this card is, since this is Three of Swords and this is Four of Swords. It's the same bed sheet, it's the same curtains, you know, everything the same, but the swords, they were three and now it's the fourth sword. Since I am really getting that the situations in the coming week, okay, or in the coming future, uh, either you are going through a big breakup, okay, but it looks to me that you want to get healed, you want more sleep for that thing, because you have to take some decision making, but there is healing with the situation. It doesn't matter whether the healing is like, you know, they coming back to you or not. It's a healing from the heart, and that is why you are getting healed in the coming future. Tell me more about the Knight of Swords energy, please. Seven of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Sun. You are standing up for yourself, for your beliefs, for everything which you have thought. There are some thoughts inside you which you feel that, okay, if the things are not done according to that, this will hamper my growth, okay. So you are standing for that. If the other person is not doing good to you, that is hampering your growth, and you won't let that happen. You are stern, you are strict in that thing, you are standing firm, and you are taking a decision according to what you feel is right or wrong, not what others feel is right or wrong. So things will only happen according to you. If you will be ready, if you are ready to compromise in the situation, that is your call, but I don't see you compromising. I see you standing up for beliefs and your thoughts. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Scorpios. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.